Question number 25. If you add 6 to my age and divide the sum by 2, you will get 13. How old am I? A, 18 years old, B, 20 years old, C, 22 years old, and D, 24 years old. So, let us always use X to identify how old the given problem. So, let X be your age. Okay, based from the problem, if you add 6 to my age and divide by 2, so that is X plus 6 over 2. And you will get 13. That is equal to 13. Okay, from this, we are done setting up the equation. We're going to multiply both sides by 2 to eliminate this denominator, which is equal to 2. So, if you're going to multiply both sides by 2, may eliminate lang to, and then, ito na yung process. 13 times 2, which is equal to 26. Pag nakarating dito sa part na to, transpose si 6 from positive magiging negative. So, x is equal to 26 minus 6. So, let's subtract 26 minus 6. That is equal to 20. X is equal to 20. Therefore, you are 20 years old. Letter B tayo sa part na to. Follow my talks for more videos. See you to the next episode.